Yeah, I wish I had your hair.
Oh, it's so
Love the curls. No, it looks beautiful.
Thank you. It better. How long it takes me. Hello everyone, Madeline here from 3D Natives, and in our ongoing quest to speak with some of the most innovative exhibitors out of the 400 plus who are at Rapid Plus TCT this year, we are here right now with 6K Additive. It's great to have you with us today. Could you please introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Leslie Frost. I am the Senior Director of Marketing with 6K Additive.
First question is, could you describe Rapid Plus TCT in one word?
Oh, in one word. I think I would have to go with collaborative. I think it's a great place to collaborate and try and figure out where we're pushing the industry. So you get all the key players here, and it's quite a collaborative event. That's what I love the most about the industry.
Also brings me to another question which is related, which is this your first at Rapid Plus TCT?
Oh. This could be my 13th Rapid. Actually, no, I think we had 1 year off. Okay. We won Speaker that year, so it could be 12.
No fault of your own.
Yes.
And then could you tell us, why is an event like Rapid Plus TCT important for 6K Additive?
Two main benefits, obviously, are meeting up with our customers. It's a great event to talk to our customers in person, to really understand their wants and needs for what's next with 6K, what are they looking for. And Rapid, we've been going to every single year because the cost benefit is there.
It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it is absolutely worth it.
That about wraps it up. Thank you so much for being with us here today.
Thank you so much for having me. And I'll see you next year at Rapid.
It's a date.